Hi guys, this is Chris with ilFornino. I'm here with David Conti, and we're gonna interview him a little bit about winning the championship. He came in first place in
Oceanside, San California, at the U.S. Pizza Team West Coast competition.
and second place in Atlantic City, the Pizza Expo. All right, Dave. So tell us a little bit about your first competition.
Well, the first one in Oceanside was actually my third. I started a year ago at the Atlantic City one, and my goal was not to come in last place, which I didn't. And then we went on to Vegas this past March, and ended up coming in third in New England with my lobster fra diavolo pizza, but it had a real deep sauce that we cooked for like 2 days. So this year I said, let's make it simpler, and I condensed it and deconstructed it and made it into layers, and it got us first place at the U.S. Pizza Team competition.
Nice, nice. And for you guys, David actually came in here and he did let us try his pizza. It was amazing. He actually took a class with Chef Alfonso, and the pizza was phenomenal. The lobster was fresh, the sauce was great, all the ingredients fit together, very, very nicely. And I'm happy, Dave won that competition.
So when I came down and took the private lesson with Chef Alfonso, he fine-tuned my dough recipe and taught me how to mix the dough proper and get the right feel for it. And we went out to the oven and made some pizzas out there, and it's just taking it from here and bringing it to another level of fine-tuning, which it really made a big difference.
Well, the dough is, makes a whole difference in pizza. I was actually, over the weekend, we went to a pizza place, and you guys are gonna laugh, why am I eating pizza outside ilFornino? But I wanted to try this new place that opened up, and they have a nice oven. It was a wood-fired oven, and the crust was terrible. I was almost screaming. Not everybody who has an oven can cook a pizza.
Yeah.
Wood-fired pizza. The pizza was just terrible. I'm not gonna name names, but the dough has to do with it. The dough is a very important part of the pizza. Yeah.
So when Alfonso comes back, I want to study with him again, and anybody else that's thinking about it should really consider coming.
Thank you. We're actually going to open up, we're in the process of construction now, but we're opening up our pizza school. It's going to be called the ilFornino Pizza School. We're going to have chefs from all over Italy, Pizzaiolos that know what they're doing. They're going to teach people how to make pizza, how to make Napolitan style pizza, different style pizza. Also, we're going to also have chefs locally from New York and from different states. So, stay tuned, and we will check our website, ilFornino.com, for schedules and classes and all that.
And me too, right?
Absolutely. All right, Dave, tell us about your second, the second competition, and why you came in second place.
Oh, we missed it. We got two of the highest scores, a 96 and a 97. Those were the highest scores on the board there, and I wasn't happy with the pizza, to tell you the truth. I didn't think it was going to do that well, and it just missed it by 1 point. The person that won, he made a blue dough, and he had flowers on it, edible flowers, so I don't know, it was close.
I actually went and I was there during the competition, and I feel I kind of jinxed him a little bit, by that point. He's going to Italy in April. Hopefully he'll bring in number one.
Bring the gold.
Bring the gold, absolutely. All right, Dave, pleasure.
Pleasure.
And all you guys, stay tuned, watch our YouTube channel at ilFornino.com and Instagram at ilFornino. Peace out. Thank you.